In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin or unpin text messages on iPhone. So what you want to do is open up your Messages app, and if you want to pin a contact, you can long hold and then click on the first option, pin. And as you can see, now this person is pinned. If you want to pin multiple people without going through this process of long hold, pin, long hold, click, pin, click on edit and then edit pins. And then you can just step on people who you want to pin. Click on done and now they are pinned. If you want to unpin them, again you can long hold and click unpin, or go back to edit at the top left, edit pins, and just click on this minus and unpin them or unpin who you want. Click done and now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.